We're flipping a house in Whittier, California on a very tight budget. So far, Christina has convinced me to spend more money on a modern design in the kitchen and the bathroom. Now she wants to spend more money than we even need to on the backyard.
We need to add a patio cover.
No, that's not in the budget. And remember, we're trying to get in and out of this house quick. We don't have the time or the money. Here's my plan back here. Paint the patio gray. Goes with the theme of the inside of the house. So we're gonna have to spend the money on sod, which is gonna cost us about $2,000. And we have to add irrigation, probably another $500, so $2,500.
I'm not gonna win this one.
No.
All right, so we have our plan back here. It's not my favorite plan. What do you wanna do in the front?
I think we keep it simple. We put down some drought-tolerant plants and mulch.
All right, sounds good. We'll do drought tolerant in the front, some sod in the back.
Perfect. That way kids can play back here, but saves water in the front.
All right, I'm hot.
It's a little bit warm.
It's a lot warm.
We should put up a patio cover.
I love it.
Looks good, right?
It looks so pretty. I like it. It's just modern, but simple and clean.
Yeah, and the marble design you picked is just awesome. And check this out. You know, we built up this wall right here. Look how much storage there is. It's huge.
That's pretty amazing. This is so much storage. You can fit everything: towels, shampoo, products. And it's nice because it is basically the only full bathroom in the house. So I think buyers are gonna love it.
No, absolutely.
Our modern design is coming out great, but the house still has an awkward layout. So in order to give it a more open floor plan and a better flow, we're closing off unnecessary doors and entryways. And running a laminate floor throughout the entire house. It actually officially feels like a bedroom. Before, it just felt like a maze.
The weirdest thing about this house was the mini door that went into the garage that didn't open.
I don't know about you, but I love the floors. Believe it or not, these floors were under $1.50 a square foot. And I think they totally look like real wood.
Oh, you actually did a really good job. Have you figured out paint colors?
So I want to show you something now in the main living room.
Okay.
So I was thinking for the majority of the house, we just stick with a light gray paint. But I was thinking for this wall right here, it'd be cool if we did something different, an accent wall. It'd be like a warm gray. And then we could do a chandelier right here that'll look really pretty. Okay. It's gonna be like maybe $200 extra than what we normally spend on a dome light, but it's not gonna be boring.
Okay, I agree. Buyers will like it. It's worth the money. Kitchen is coming together. Wow, honey, that looks cool.
There we go.
You know what? That accent wall, good idea. It looks really cool. Gives it like some contrast, and you know what's really neat? Like the crystals brings in like the light gray and the dark gray.
I'm glad you appreciate it.
Kitchen's almost done. I want to show you the backsplash. Super cool, right?
Yes.
It's a really nice kitchen. You know what the best thing we did with this house? Remove that window because look at the wraparound cabinets.
Yeah, no, it was the perfect design choice for this house.
Yeah.
So the inside of the house is super cute. It's modern. We've got the grays and whites. Normally outside, we would make the house match the inside. So we normally go with like a nice charcoal gray out here. But unfortunately, we have this rock everywhere, and I hate it. Can we get rid of it?
We can't get rid of it. The second we touch this rock, we have to take down the rock around the entire front of the house. And it's not as easy as just, you know, stucco. We're gonna have to do a lot of patchwork. We're probably gonna have to restucco the entire house. That's an extra like $4 grand. We can't have any delays. We can't go over budget anymore.
So we'll just pick the light earth tone paint color, trim white. So the inside is gonna look absolutely nothing like the outside, but hopefully once buyers get inside, they'll fall in love with the design.
So I did run the numbers. We paid $345,000 for the house. We put $60,000 into it. That puts us at $405,000. We're gonna have about $20,000 in closing costs when we sell the house. So our break even here is $425,000. And our best comp is at $440,000.
440?
Yeah.
Probably over improved for the neighborhood.
I don't think so. Since our house is turnkey, it sets us apart from the rest of the comps. We have the advantage here. I say we come in a little bit high at like 479,900.
479.9. That's like totally shooting for the stars. I mean,
Well, we have no choice here.
yeah, but we're also running the risk of just sitting on the market.
It's a risk I'm willing to take right now.
All right, it's definitely high, but let's
So
give it a shot.
next thing is we just gotta get staging, pictures, list it, open house.
All right.
See what happens.
Can't wait to see the inside staged.
I hope buyers come today, man. We're listed high. Wow, stagers did a good job.
Looks really pretty. So the house used to be really closed off. It's still kind of a boxy floor plan, but it's a lot better. I mean, now I can see all the way to the bathroom, which the bathroom looks amazing, by the way.
And this kitchen came out spectacular.
This is a really big kitchen. And I know we spent more money than we probably should have, but you have to admit, it looks beautiful.
Yeah, ready to get started for this open house?
Let's get ready.
Look at the way they did the yard. It's, drought friendly.
It looks nice in the paint colors, just kind of neutral and kind of flows.
Yeah.
That looks great.
Hi, come on in.
Hi.
And I'm
Good,
Tarek.
how are you? I'm Diana.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Christina. Nice to meet you.
We just listed the house this morning. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. We just completely remodeled it and we listed it at $479,900.
Okay.
So love for you to take a look around and let us know what you think about the price as well as her design.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Floors are nice and light. Makes it look like a beachy feel.
So I like how you have the dining area, then you have like the open kind of seating area.
Look at the chandelier.
Oh, that's so
Oh
pretty.
my gosh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, look at the cabinets. They're beautiful.
A pretty nice white.
Yeah,
Goes really good with the countertops.
it does.
I like the backsplash. How it goes all the way up. They did a nice job here.
These are real marble.
It's really nice.
Those would be great for rolling out cookie dough.
This is the bathroom of my dreams.
I really like the tile in here.
I like the way they do this.
Oh, look, there's cabinet space. Yeah.
Lots of counter space on it too.
Yeah, even though it's not 2 sinks. It's nice.
It's really.
Oh my gosh,
yeah,
look at this room. This is a really nice sized bedroom.
But there's no master suite.
It's a really nice sized yard.
Yep. Here you can put out your patio furniture. He can play soccer.
Yeah, the kids have a good time out here.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think about the overall design?
I thought it looked great. I love the colors.
And I think that it's great for the price because we've seen other homes that are not nearly as updated as this. So it's a great price.
Well, that's good to hear. I like hearing great price. Very nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Nice
Very nice
meeting you.
meeting you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.